in a Dark, Dark House by Jennifer Desley, illustrated by Davy Jones. The sun went down. The stars came out. The clock struck 10, and I went walking under a dark, dark moon. And under that dark, dark moon, I saw a dark, dark tree. Was I scared? No. And past that dark, dark tree, I saw a dark, dark house. I went in the house. Was I scared? No. And in the dark, dark house, I went up some dark, dark stairs. Was I scared? No. And at the end of the dark, dark stairs, I saw a dark, dark door. I opened the door. Was I scared? No. And behind the dark, dark door, I found a dark, dark chest. Was I scared? No. I opened the dark, dark chest, and inside was a monster! It had 3 eyes, a green nose, long teeth, and sharp claws. Was I scared? Yes! I shut the chest. I slammed the door. I ran down the stairs and out of the house. I ran. Past the tree. No, not past the tree, up the tree. Safe at last under the dark, dark moon.